This video tutorial goes over Sun Salutation B, which is a closed hip sequence, which is excellent for lengthening the tissues on the front line, specifically the hip flexors, the neck, and the chest. Please start in mountain pose, ground through the feet. Generally, you'll be doing Sun Salutation B after you've primed your Sun Salutation A a couple of times. And you can stand with either your feet hip distance apart, or Rachel has them together, which is the classical form. So feet all the way together. Sit your hips down low and brush your fingertips against the floor to establish the down position, or how far your hips are down. Sweep your arms up overhead. And there's two variations here. This is the athletic variation of chair, Utkatasana or chair pose. And then scoop your pubic bone forward. Keep going until you find hollow body. Good. And then let your arms be vertical, straight up. And this requires a lot of stability in the core. From here, inhale, tone the inner core. Exhale, forward fold over the legs, ha. Head down. Inhale, halfway lift, come to a flat back. Exhale and fold. Step back to a high plank. Engage your glutes here, so fire your glute muscles, fire your lats, lengthen your neck, good. Shift your shoulders forward, surge forward, chaturanga, bend the arms to 90 degrees. Inhale, flip the feet one at a time, upward facing dog, keeping a micro bend on the shoulder, inviting the front line fascia of the chest to stretch and hold, tone your glutes. Exhale, roll over the toes, downward facing dog. One round of breath here. Inhale and exhale. And then inhale, take your right leg up, three-legged dog, flex the foot, square the hips, find that internal rotation here. Exhale, step the foot through the two hands, feet on railroad tracks. Spin the back heel down 45 degrees. See that your two hips remain forward. You can either place your hands at prayer or extend the arms and rise up to warrior one. You can stay here or extend your arms out to a Y if you have tight shoulders, eventually closing the gap between the shoulders, finding that number 11. Or classical asana, press the palms together and place the head up, looking in extension. Keep spiraling the elbows in, keep lengthening your head all the way back, lift your chin more, and drop your head back more. So lift up here, yes. And breathe. This is a challenging asana, so please work up to this. Keep toning your backside glute. Inhale. On the exhale, hinge forward, plant the palms, moving with your breath. Step back to a high plank, charge your glutes. Shift your shoulders forward, chaturanga, low plank. Inhale, upward facing dog, micro bend the elbows, tone the glutes here. Exhale, downward facing dog, ha. 1 to 2 rounds of breath here. Finding your checkpoint, seeing that your arm is at the same line as your trunk. Seeing that your transverse abdominis is pulling in and up. From here, inhale, lift your left leg up, three-legged dog, square the hips. Exhale, surge forward, step the foot through the hands. Back foot spirals down 45 degrees, hands either at prayer or arms extended. And turn the back foot in sharply here, as sharp as you can. Keep toning this back glute. Excellent. Either wide V, number 11 arms, or classical form, press the palms together, look up and hold. Turn everything on, so you're creating torque in your legs, toning your deep inner core muscles, lengthening and lifting the head up and back, placing the head in extension and hold. Be gentle with the neck here. Inhale. On the exhale, hinge forward, plant the palms, take it back, high plank. Shift it forward, chaturanga, low plank, glutes on. Inhale, upward facing dog, knees lifted, micro bend the elbows. Keep retracting back here, fanning around here. Exhale, downward facing dog. And note that every person's Sun Salutation A and B will look a little bit different. Every body is a little bit different. So adapt the postures as needed. Go slow, break them down. Inhale, lift your heels. Exhale, bend your knees, walk or jump the feet to meet the hands. Inhale, halfway lift, come to a flat back, lengthen through the back of the neck. Exhale and fold it down. Inhale, circle sweep, arms up, look up. Exhale, hands to prayer in front of the heart. Hands by your side, mountain pose.